If a new graph of three linear equations is created using the system of equations shown and the equation x plus 4y is equal to negative 16. So we are already given a line, another line, two lines in the graph, and the third line is not drawn, but we can draw it and see if there is a solution that can satisfy all three lines. So let's start with the y-intercept. When y equals 0, x has to be negative 16, because negative 16 plus 4 times 0 will be still 0, we get negative 16. Now unfortunately that is not going to be within our window of the graph, so let's try the x-intercept, actually the y-intercept. When x equals 0, okay, what's going on here? When x equals 0, y has to be negative 4. That means we have a y-axis when x equals 0, and the point it crosses will be negative 4. Okay, so there is a single point, and another point that we can definitely try is positive 8. Because remember, when you have a three lines, the solution occurs when all three lines cross. So if it does not pass through a, 2, then you know that we just don't have solution because it's a line. So if you happen to graph just like this, you have a line like that, you might have a point that two lines cross, two lines cross, two lines cross, but none of these points will satisfy the solution to the three equations. All three lines has to cross a point. So if not, then that's not going to be the solution. So okay, so let's just go straight to 8, x equals 8. When you put x equals 8, 8 plus 4y is equal to negative 16, and subtract 8 on both sides. So this way we get 4y is equal to negative 24, then y is equal to negative 6. Okay, so what does it tell us? When x equals 8, y equals negative 6, we're gonna get a graph like this, and I'm not sure if it's a parallel, and to quickly check that, I go down 2 units and then I go 8 units. Oh, so it's a parallel lines. So these two lines, it looks like it's gonna meet, but it doesn't, because here I have negative 4 to negative 6, 4 to 2, change of y equals negative 2, and change of x is 8 and 8, so we have the same slope. So the fact that we already have parallel lines means that we will not satisfy the solution with 3 points crossing, or 3 lines crossing a point. So none of these work. We have a 0 solution. The correct answer should be A.